Today I want to share you how to create a professional business card on Canva. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe for more in tutorial. Creating a professional business card on Canva is very easy and straightforward. Here are the 7 steps to create a professional business card on Canva. Okay, first is sign in to Canva or create a new account if you don't already have one. Second, once you are logged in, type business card in the search bar at the top of the page and press enter. Third is choose a business card template from the option provided. You can also start with a blank canvas and design your business card from scratch. Fourth is customize your business card by adding your company name, logo, contact information, and any other details you want to include. You can also change the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's style. Fifth is Canva offers a wide range of design elements, including icons, illustration, and photos. You can use this to enhance the look of your business card. And sixth is, once you are happy with the design, click on the download button at the top of the page and choose the file format you want. Your professional business card is now ready to print it. You can either print it at home or send it to a professional printing service. By following these simple steps, you can create a professional business card on Canva that accurately represents your brand and make a lasting impression on potential client and business partner. Thank you very much for watching.